Now we are going to identify some of the organs.
Okay, we'll start at the top. If you fold these over, you see the liver located here. It is the largest organ, and all of this is connected. Here is the left,
Right. That's the left.
yeah, the left lobe of the liver, and here's the right lobe. And you can see directly underneath the liver is the gallbladder. It's a little sac right there.
That's what she said she's doing. So we open up the chest.
Immediately underneath the liver, you have the stomach, just a sac-like organ, and then connected to that, right here, it's like a little muscular type thing. It's the duodenum. If you keep going past the duodenum, you will find the jejunum and the ileum. You then have the large and small intestine and the colon, all located right here, shriveled up. If you lift this, you have the cecum, and right here you've got the rectum that goes out of the body. You have the spleen right here. It's like a tongue-like structure. Located right beside the spleen is the pancreas, little sac-like. Right here, you can't actually see them, but you can feel them. These are the kidneys on this side.
That's the left.
And this
Here's
side.
the right.
Class, it looks like you got.
Now we are going to identify the adrenal gland, which is located above the kidney, and after this we will be done with the peritoneal cavity.
You just have to cut the tissue. Ooh.
That's just dissecting juice.
I'm gonna have to get a paper towel. You might have to have your partner hand you a paper towel just to help dab up the juice.
And that's especially helpful any other time as well. When there's too much dissecting juice. And the blue is just the veins.
So you have to break the tissue. You have to be gentle because the kidney, it can easily have a hole be poked through it.
You can easily puncture.
Yes. It might be hard to locate, and in this instance, it's kind of hard to find. You might not be able to find it, but it always helps to look for it. It's usually located right here, just right above the kidney.